guys, back again. We buy these things. Okay, these packets. Okay, let's reopen this and check inside it. Okay, let's reopen slowly. Still package set. Better we open in one set. Okay. Okay. This is the things. Let's check it. The package is good and safe. Oh yes, this is connected. Okay, let me see this. Oh, sorry. This is blocking by the other side. Okay. Let's see. This is we buy a catapult and taser. Taser is good condition. It can be locked to shot the fish. Very sharp. There's a Konbman. Okay. Slingshot. Okay. It's good. Suncore. Okay. Small. Okay. It's monocular, contain book, manual book. This is it. It's a missing pack. Check the monocular. Oh, beautiful. Oh, no cover. Okay, can be get closer or far away, closer, far away to contain the focus. Can be turning. Okay, it's good. By 52, 66 meters. Okay, let's see the catapult. Oh, this is the catapult. Let's see, is the catapult really have a laser? Okay, looks good. But the sling is too small. This is a laser gun. Yeah, this is a laser gun. Good. They had a laser gun. Put here and toss. Okay, this is it. All the things. All good. Okay guys, first of all I will build this first. this, you can see still empty. How to build, it's already installed, and you can see the packages with the neon color, water pass, and laser actually. Oh, laser. Okay. How to build? Let's go. So far, release this. When you release this, it can be take off like that. Okay. And first you find this, trap in here. Wait. Wrong. If you put like this. Okay. And once again, the other one. Up. Okay. Release this and install in here. Okay. Ready to slingshot. And then what for this? You can push in here. Like this. Water pass. This in here. Okay, ready to go. Hold like this. Reload something in here and shot. This water pass show your. It's actually actual water pass works. And this laser gun. Oh wait, wrong way I think. The laser must be in another way. Sorry, wrong places. Because we want to shot in that way. Like this. Whoa. And what is for? For what is this? This you can put in here just for ornaments, like in this example. You put in here and cut to make a different color, looks luminous from there. Just for ornaments, no need so well. Okay, play like this. Boom. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Oh yes, maybe you're asking what is this and how is the details of these tools. So let's unpackage this. This is a taser. Taser, it means an arrow to catch a fish or something else. The details looks like this. This is you can put the rope, so after shot you can take it back. Okay. And by the way, it can be separated like this. I'll take it head off. This is the head of arrow, and this is very heavy. And this is the locker of the target. This is a locker, and this is a body of taser. It's a solid steel too, solid aluminiums, I think. And I will take this off. This is solid. You can see how I took sun. Okay, let's rebuild this together. Put the locker on and put the head of solid stainless steel. This has a twin locker, this one locker and this one locker too. And this is very sharp, you know, like this. Okay. Okay guys, I will test the function of the monocular. Okay. Tough spot, let's go. I will check some object in there. There's any white cars and the top of the buildings. Let you see this. Oh, actually, see, that's the white cars. You can hit the plate number from here, but you see from the real things, it far like this. How about the top of the buildings? Let's see. Wait a minute, let's see. Sorry, my camera. Okay, let me get the focus. You can see the car from here. You can see the license plate, and you can see the top of the building like this easy. Okay, the real is like that. You see, that's the car and that's the building. This is how far this monoculars can do. Okay, thank you for watching.